Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to generate videos with Google Flow step by step. If you've written your first prompt and are ready to turn your ideas into AI-generated videos, this guide will walk you through the complete process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account, then open an existing project or create a new one from the dashboard. Once you're inside the project workspace, locate the prompt editor. This is where you'll tell Google Flow exactly what kind of video you want to generate. Remember, the quality of your prompt has a huge impact on the final result. For example, instead of typing a dog running, try something more descriptive like a golden retriever running through a green meadow during sunset, cinematic lighting, slow-motion camera movement. Realistic style, 4K quality. Detailed prompts usually produce much better videos. If Google Flow provides additional settings, choose the options that best fit your project. You may be able to adjust the aspect ratio, video length, quality, visual style, or generation mode. Review everything carefully before starting the generation process. Now click the *generate ** button. Google Flow will begin processing your request using its AI video model. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and server load, the generation process may take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. When the video is ready, watch the preview from beginning to end. Pay attention to the camera movement, character actions, lighting, and overall quality. If something doesn't look right, don't worry. Simply return to your prompt, make it more detailed or more specific, and generate another version. You can repeat this process as many times as needed until you're satisfied with the results. Many professional creators test several prompts before choosing the best version of their AI video. Once you've created a video you like, save your project so you don't lose your work. If your account includes an export or download option, use it to save the completed video to your computer for editing, sharing, or publishing. And that's how you generate videos with Google Flow. The key is to experiment with different prompts and settings until you achieve the exact style and quality you're looking for. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial